Okay, guys, cut and cut here again, guys. All right, this time about DD on the bench here. DD, and this is the M3C. M3C, yes, guys. DD, digital design. Yes, guys, we call them digital design. So, guys, from further, well, I got it like this, guys. These out. So you see here, they were like, I don't know. You could see they couldn't take them out. They damaged out all the MOSFET. But even though I think I'm gonna have to change these MOSFET because when I put the meter across, not on this side. Let me try this side. I never do this side. Yeah, they're shorting out. Drain on the source is shorting out. So yeah, I figure more or less that I'm gonna have to replace the output anyway because it was in protection mode. And from further checking, guys, I see like where is it? Right here. This 47 ohm resistor, you could see that it burned. It's discolored. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could see it here, but this one is discolored from the rest of them. So yeah. So let me show you a little trick, guys, of how I get these things off. I have a little all-in key like this, all-in key, and I do like this right between it right here, and I go like this, guys. And you see, it comes off and it hangs on in this. And that's what I do them right now. Let's get all-in key strong enough. We can go between there. And pretty much, you know, it's not that hard. You clip these off. All right. Go ahead and take these off. Uh-huh. Whew. Seemed like the other key was going to break on those just now. Alright. This I have to slant it somehow because I don't want to break this capacitor out. I don't want to mess up this cap right now. Alright, that one is slipping somehow. This little one comes off really good. And this, I avoid like letting them drop in the circuit, guys, but sometimes the capacitor they are charged and that would be a problem. They drop between the pins. And this little one now that so that's alright, and avoid that from happening to guys. Alright, so I take these screws out from this side here. These 4 screws at the back here. These 4 screws out. Yeah. Alright guys, run it here. Alright guys, so right now I'm removing the bad MOSFET some, you know. Removing all these FDA 24N and 40. Yeah, these are the 24 and 40. And 40F. It does have an F at the end of it. I'll show you them. I'll show you one of them, guys. So yeah, remove these. FDA. I don't know if you guys seen it clearly what it's FDA N40F. Some reason the focus on this phone and another phone I have, I don't know what's wrong. They don't focus that well. I use the big side iron because I want to just get rid of them really fast. Alright. This I think this should be on the output issue. I'm not wrong. Guys, these are the two are the best, believe me. They are the best. Alright, so I'm gonna just clean the circuit board up, wash off all that flux, extra flux, excess flux. So right here, guys, we have that little discolored 47 ohm resistor. So yeah, I'm gonna remove that. Best time to remove gate resistor like this now, guys, when you remove all the output MOSFETs. That's the best time. So you have a lot to work with here, a lot of space and all that stuff. I should have removed this just now. Alright, let me just remove it. So it's right here. It should be this one right here. Okay. It's not gonna be that easy. It's not going down well, guys, to remove, but you know me, guys, that's what I do. Alright. Alright. Uh-huh. Okay. We got rock of ages. This guys, you can see it, it's really discolored. Really discolored, guys. I'm burnt. You can see that. Yeah, so that's I told you this here, as you see. I've all them in this corner right here. All the bad MOSFETs. Should be what? Should be more than this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, after 1 and 4. This guy, so yeah, those are the one on the 4. I fell out. So right now, guys, I'm going to just clean the circuit board up and let's run through right here, guys. Let's run through these real fast. Go through these gate and stuff. 47, 47, 47, 47, 47, 47, 47. The guys, some can really burn, some can be bad, but you don't see it. But when you take it out, I don't need the bottom, you see a hole in the resistor. Sometimes that happens, so you have to make sure you check them. Alright, guys, let me look for this resistor. Okay, guys, I found one. Going to sleep already. 47 volts. Alright, guys, so it's now. Alright, so now that's installed. That's it. Let's wash the circuit board now, guys, and then I'll move on to installment of the MOSFETs. The output MOSFET, guys. I will show you guys a little bit of how I wash my circuit board. I'll do this, guys, and I'll do something like this. Alpha, rubbing alcohol 90% liquid. Then I have a rag here and I use to dry the brush. go around this area too. I like to watch the entire boat, guys. Believe me. I'm gonna do that a little bit from now, but for now, let's do this. Anyway, I saw that the MOSFETs again, yeah, kind of have some flux, so now the board is gonna look white. For some time that happens, guys. When I do this, guys, you can see a lot of, you know, circuit if you have any burn traces and stuff like that. Sometimes. Alright, guys, so that's it. Can you have one of these here that's not that properly? Isn't that clear? Alright, so the batch of what I'm going to use to replace it, these are not that shiny, guys, but these I'm telling you, they read up to the spec and they do the job. And these are the FDA24N40F. They do work, guys. They work wonders. So first, let me do this. I should have gone through the circuit board more, guys, before I start doing this, which I'm going to do right after now. I'm going to catch one of these just to see something right here. Okay, that's gonna be about that tall right here. Yep. Mm-hmm. All right. So this is gonna be like that, guys, right there. I just did want to solder one, guys, just to see something right here. You see, I have a bunch of solder right back here that I didn't want to happen. Come on, come on. Good. Very good. Right. Right, so I got one in. So now, guys, I'm gonna just, go around, check, a lot of, if I find anything that's blown, burnt out like resistor and stuff, or inductor. And this, guys, is the this is the most driver, guys, and this one is the IR2184, I think. Yes, this IC is this 8-pin IC right here, and this one here is the LM393, and this one is the TL311, I think. TL311, if I'm not that wrong, but I'll find out for you guys if you know. Yeah, but yeah, just hit me up, guys. I'll let you know exactly what this one is. Yep. So, and that little driver chip that they scratch out for some reason. I don't know why they keep doing those crazy stuff. This switch doesn't feel too well. I think I'm gonna clean this switch up. This switch is like, wait. Maybe I fix it. I don't know if I have any like this, or maybe I have one. I just replace it. If not, I just repair it. But that's it for now, guys. So I'm gonna install some MOSFETs little from now after I go through the circuit board. Alright, guys, so see you on part 2 of this video. Definitely I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. Alright, please like, subscribe, like what to see, and stay tuned for part 2.